Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, or let me call it this session, I will guide you through the process of working with Node.js. We explore how to create and develop a Restful API using Node.js, express.js and Sequelize. Follow along with me as we dive into this exciting journey. Thank you. So let's create a project folder, and I'm going to name my own API backend hub. Okay. So I'll open my terminal and I will run npm init y -y. So professional that are already familiar with Node.js we write it this way, but I don't recommend it because it's a bunch of information that you might not really understand or know when documented. So use npm init. That will allow you to put your app name the way you want it. You can even edit it, and also some other documents. You can also put your description like this API backend for the future of that project or anything. And yeah, do you want to write an index, your entry point? I decided to use the index.js as my own entry point, so you can use app.js or anything you want to come up with. I don't put it on any for now, so it's gonna be like that. And also there is code base license where you use default. It's okay with me, yes. Now see the difference. Now we have complete package. Let the JS to start. And yeah, I'm still running on index, but I will not run the server now or anything because we don't even have any file yet. Let me just install all the required package. I'll be installing Express, Sequelize, CLI. And of course, this web token. Big code too, because we need to enter our password. Sorry, I forgot to install MySQL, so we need to do that now. npm install MySQL 2. Now you can see we already have it here, so we can continue with the next step. I'm going to use nps Sequelize CLI to run my migrations. But first of all, I need to initialize it also to get all the migration folders and every other required folders. Yes, not all the file we'll be using, but we'll be making use of migrations and config also to run our code. So this is database structure for us, the config file given to us by the nps command line. Now I'm writing the code for generate the user models for us, and I'll set some attributes such as email, username, and password. Username is typed with a string, email is also string, and password is also string. Enter. And the reason for this error is because there is dash that will put space instead of making everything together, so I corrected it and I resend it. So you can see all the strings that we input are already in the created migration file. And yes, we have some things that we don't input ourselves, but Sequelize had it for us, which is created as and updated as. Now let's run the database migration. Yes, it's not going to work because we don't have any database called database development. You can see this what it can do for us here, but we don't have it on our SQL server. So I need to add it by creating the database name. and I would need to create privilege for that. Now let's run the command again. Now you can see we have generated file for us. Like if it's run the migration, let's check the database. We have users table now. Ignore the Sequelize data what we have there. We don't really need the Sequelize data, so we don't need any information. It's just saving for us. So we get rid of everything inside this users table. I mean user models. We don't need this structure, so we have to make our own structure. So let's get rid of everything here because this is the generated one by NPX. NPX that we run the other time that generated product for us and file. So we're going to write our own now. So we don't have database file.js ready. So now we have to create it, database.js, and set all our database configuration inside it. We can copy this information, but we don't need to copy it, let's just manage the development configuration. So by starting our const, so we're going to be listing the list of information inside, which is post is localhost, username is going to be the database development, and the same thing is what we use for the database itself, and even the password. And of course, the gallery we're using here is MySQL. Let me label it for easy remembrance. So I'm going to label it user here. So there is my SQL. So here we're done. I just export the modules as Sequelize. So we are done with the database configuration like that. So let's go back to the user module. Okay, get back to user model. Now let's structure our methods. Now. So we are using our false, and username has to be unique, so that's why we use unique. And of course, email also is data string table and cannot be new. And of course, it's also need to be unique. Email always has to be Node.js. Doesn't really matter whatever you use to start a computer, but it's like so. First of all, let's write out the function to generate token. If you're wondering why I put payload, it's actually payload. In 1 hour. So quick one. I will not be using any key directly from here. I like putting everything inside env key, whatever that relates to key. So let's install npm install.env. So I like putting my keys inside environment. Anything secret or IP or particular code, I like putting them inside .env. This is your generator post because you are signing up and you're going to do a post request and controller dot sign or port controller. Copy this and paste this for the login also. Change this to sign in. So yeah, we're getting there. Now let's export this and make the general index. Remember that when we start this project, we start with index like now we are getting to the point that we have to start our server. So we'll be using port 301, I mean 3001. Bracket arrow function, calibrate, console listening to port 3001. There we go. Let's run this one. Node.js. JSON web token. We made a mistake in spelling, so we're going to fix that. And of course, there is another error data type, a small letter that we used instead of capital letter. So let's quickly fix that one too. Express router, we use small letter instead of capital letter. Forgive me. Oh, the new error is that we are running on port 3001. So let's change the port. But let me make the port available env. Like if you save it on env, then we later use it on the index server too. So I'm defining a new port inside the environment.env file. So that will be fine because I like putting everything inside .env. Any important number or any important keys. So I'll be using the process.env.port, then use the ho sign to make the port run on either that one or this one. So server is running now on any port, not that port. So yeah, it's running on the port now. Let's try it out. It's not working because we need to restart the server again, and also I need to set this asset available to this and then send all the parameter information also. But of course I need to start the server with node.js in order to run it back to back. Like we need to use node.js to run our server so that will keep it live. Whatever changes we do, it automatically save and Start. So now we are running on Node 1. We need to change the bakery to hash instead of signing. That was a mistake too. Let's remove extend true. Should be working now. Node not start. Let's try again. Good. Our API is working now. We have to check the SQL. Don't even the console first. Then let's take the user table. You can say okay, the is now inside. Username, email, and password. So let's try it for the login also. Yes, login, choosing the right URL, change it to post. Let's start the body. Let's just copy this and paste it. The body layer, remove the username, and change this to this and this. Cool. Our API is working perfectly now. Thank you very much for your time. That will be all for today. See you on the next video. And please do like, comment, and share. And if you have any suggestion on tutorial you want me to work on, please feel free to comment below so I can take that as one of the gigs. Thank you.